Hello everyone. So today we are going to work on these screen distance indicators. So here you can see there are 36 meters to the house, and to that checkpoint B 600 meters and A 230 something meters. So as the character moves around, you can see the distance is also updated. So, and also this distance is displayed in the screen space, so that's why the scale of that number and the icon is independent from the world location, and also it is drawn on top of the world object. So that's why we can see even if that checkpoint is covered by the character, we can still see the icon and the text. So yeah, let's see how to do this today. Okay, so now that I can open the map, zoom in, select and do fast travel. So without doing fast travel, if I select one of the destinations and exit, I want to see the distance to that selected checkpoint. So how should we do that? So first, without thinking about the selected part, let's implement a way to show the distance. So for that, let's go into a checkpoint. Here we can add the widget, but before adding a widget, we need to have a widget that we can use to display a number. So let's create a widget. User interface, widget blueprint, user widget, wdg this. Let's just say text. We need a text. Oh, let's wrap this with a. Do we need to have a canvas panel here? Yeah, maybe. Let's wrap this with a canvas panel and then anchor it into the middle. Right, and also set the justification of the text to centered text. Let's say 10,000. Right, and then let's add this widget into the checkpoint. Widget as a widget component. Let's call it widget text, and as the widget class, I'll use widget text. Compile. So here you can see the number, and space is world space. Let's set this to screen space. What happened? Yeah, you can see 1000 there, but I think it's too large. So Let's set the font size to 12. Yeah, that number seems okay. Then again, icon. It would be better if the icon is on top of the widget. So on top of the text. But can we just lift it? I'm not sure if just lifting would work, because the number is in the screen space and the icon is in the world space, like this. So if I can put both into the screen space, this will work. Billboard. Yeah, actually this icon is screen scaled. So yeah, so it is okay. Or another thing that we can do is we can put the icon also inside here. Let's use icon A or icon home. Right, now let's see how it looks. Yeah, that way it looks better. So now that we have to get rid of the secondary icon that we have in the checkpoint, and also we need to implement a way to update that icon and the text, because we already have a way to set the icon and the scale as a parameter for each checkpoint instance. So therefore, let's rename this. Let's give it a more meaningful name. Widget checkpoint. Icon and text. Both should be variables, so we can change them through the code. So for the icon, get icon, let's set a custom event. Update icon. Here we need to set brush from texture we need a texture as a reference, as a parameter, and then we need to get slot as canvas slot, set size. We also need size as a parameter. So how do we access this function? Actually in the checkpoint we can't directly access it because the construction script. All you do is set sprite icon size is only used here to change the minimap icon. Right, then here, now that we don't need this sprite billboard, so where are we using it? Only here. So let me delete this and delete the billboard and get the widget. Let me rename this also widget checkpoint get. Is there a way to get the widget? The result is widget object reference, but if I cast this wdigit checkpoint, we can access update icon, and also this casting happens in the construction script, so it's not like a place, not a place like tick, so there are no performance issues. So we can use the icon like this, and as the size 30 by 30 would be enough. What's the default size we have? 40 by 40. Okay, then let's keep 40 by 40, but if we want, we can promote this as a variable and allow customizing for each checkpoint. Great. Now we have the house icon here, and over there also house, over there also house. Why is that? Didn't I change it? I have. All right. Oh wait, no. What if we do the same thing in the begin play as well? Yeah, now it is working. Okay, so the next step is changing the distance as the character walk. So for that, here let's, after casting, to having to cast again and again, to avoid having to cast again and again, let's promote this to parameter promote this to a variable w-digit checkpoint. Right, and then in the tick. So actually here to have better performance, I think it would be enough if it's not necessary to have, let's say, 30 fps or 60 fps. So let's try 0.2 here. So it will not, the tick will not be called on each frame, so it will be called only at every 0.2 seconds. Then, but wait, I have to check if that makes the, oh, it makes this minimap less smooth. Okay, then we can't really have that. Point one. No. Okay, so in order to keep smoothness, we have to have a higher tick. Alright, okay, anyway, so what I wanted to do is calculating the distance. So for that, we can get player location, get player character, and adapter location, and also use get adapter location. So location of the checkpoint, then calculate distance, then so we have locations in centimeters, so if I divide this by 100, we will get meters. So then w-digit checkpoint, let's have another custom event, set text, get the text, set text, like this. Now in the checkpoint we can access w-digit checkpoint, set text. So if we want to show like 1000 meters, can I use append here? No. Then string to text, then we can use append. Space, yeah. Okay, now it should show the distance. Okay, so it shows so many decimal points that we don't really need. So how to avoid that? We can truncate. we see as 45 meters and 600 meters, 200 meters. Great. So yeah, that's all I wanted to do for this episode. Oh wait, I actually forgot that I started the episode saying that I want to show the distance to only selected checkpoint. Well, maybe let's leave it to another day. Yeah. Yeah, let's stop this episode here. And thanks for watching. As always, project files will be available here for the download in the Patreon page. Link would be in the description below. And if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of the Patreon club. So see you in another episode. Goodbye.